Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. The rc5 algorithm is a symmetric key block cipher known for its simplicity and flexibility. It was designed by Ronald Rivest in 1994 and can be configured to use key sizes of 0 to 2040 bits, block sizes of 32, 64, or 128 bits, and variable number of rounds, typically 0 to 255. The algorithm involves a series of operations, including modular addition, bitwise XOR, and rotation operations. Overview of the rc5 algorithm. 1. Key expansion. The key is expanded into a set of subkeys for the encryption and decryption process. 2. Encryption process. The plaintext is divided into blocks, and each block is processed through a series of rounds involving mixing and transformation using the subkeys. 3. Decryption process. The decryption process reverses the encryption process using the same subkeys in reverse order. Components of rc5. Data block. The plaintext is organized into blocks. The size of each block depends on the configuration, 32, 64, or 128 bits. Key. The key used for encryption and decryption can be of variable length. Rounds. The number of rounds can be specified, usually between 0 and 255. More rounds generally increase security. rc5 algorithm steps. 1. Key expansion. Create an array S of size 2 *r plus 2, where r is the number of rounds. Use the provided key to fill the S array. 2. Encryption. Split the plaintext into two halves, A and B. Perform a series of operations involving addition, XOR, and left rotations for R rounds. 3. Decryption. Reverse the encryption steps using the same S array, but in reverse order. Implementation example in Python. Here is a simplified implementation of the rc5 algorithm in Python. Explanation of the code. 1. Key expansion. The key_expansion method generates the subkeys used during encryption and decryption. 2. Encryption. The encrypt method processes the plaintext through a series of rounds using modular arithmetic and bitwise operations. 3. Decryption. The decrypt method reverses the process of encrypt. Conclusion. The rc5 algorithm is a powerful symmetric key encryption technique widely used for securing data. The above implementation is a simple example in Python that demonstrates the core functionalities of the rc5 encryption and decryption processes. For practical applications, consider using well-tested libraries or cryptographic modules to ensure security and performance.